Creating a mailbox rule in Outlook. The instructions. A mailbox rule states that whenever items arrive into a mailbox that meet a specific criteria, they should then be processed by whatever the rule dictates should happen when an item of that type is received. So I'm going to create a rule for the IT field folder. Had to look real quick, see what I was doing. So everything from Bluehost, which is my hosting provider, shall go into the IT field folder. The sender address includes bluehost.com. And just copy and paste that here. The folder is correct, and I just hit save. Simple as that. This has been Yosef with Torah Tech. Shalom, shalom. I make free websites. Holler at me.